There's the hail core with this. Our Power 5 Doppler radar indicating the potential for half-dollar or golf ball-sized hail. Areas near Churchill around 8:03, Geraldstown around 8:13. Road impacts in the morning. Here's what we're looking for. Tri-Cities, some slick spots, code yellow for the Tri-Cities, but code red as we go into portions of the Kentucky and Virginia mountains and the Tennessee and North Carolina mountains. The river rose to around 17.5 feet. That's one of its highest crests since last year when it reached over 18 feet. That 17 feet puts it in what's known as moderate flood stage. And at that flood stage, some of the farmland behind me and some of the homes that are really adjacent to the river actually start to be impacted. By the Food City and the Bank of Tennessee along Bobby Hicks Highway. So if you're leaving the airport and traveling towards Gray and traveling towards areas of Johnson City, this is what you're going to see. Snow-covered roads. Giving us a chance for a wet morning commute in spots and also a wet afternoon commute in spots. I say in spots because it's going to be scattered showers, not a really big deluge of rain that'll be moving in. Planning on taking the dog out for a walk. A little cool this morning. Heading up towards the 60s though by 11 o'clock. Our FIDO forecast this morning features Bruiser from Abingdon. Will those storms roll through? Speaking of Clintwood, our viewers always deliver in terms of great pictures. This one coming from Brad Deal in the Clintwood area. Some of the lightning outside. Look at this one. This is coming from Rogersville. Look at all the hail. You know just how cool, and I'll also detail the areas most at risk for those gusty winds tonight. It's coming up in just a couple minutes. We are at exit 34, which is right where the Walmart Supercenter is if you're driving along Interstate 26. In just a couple minutes, I'll break down the thunderstorm threat and also talk about the threat of snow that could cause some schedule changes later this week, guys. A few isolated showers starting to push into our area, so if you're heading out here in a little bit, maybe for dinner somewhere, you may want to take the umbrella with you, especially if you live in Lee County. A little shower, be moving north. Some showers here in Knoxville as well, getting closer to our region. But the big brunt of the storminess and the severe weather still out towards our west, across portions of central Tennessee and now into portions of Alabama. Lots of severe weather expected out there as we go into the next couple of hours with tornado watches and severe thunderstorm warnings in effect in many locations. Now, those storms are going to be heading our way, but watch what happens. These storms get into our region, and most of the instability, the thunderstorm fuel, stays south of us across portions of Alabama and central Tennessee. So as these storms approach, especially after about 9 to 10 o'clock tonight, they're going to have some heavy rain, perhaps a little bit of gusty winds and some lightning with them, but the severe weather risk looks relatively low across our region. In fact, we're not even in a risk zone in terms of a marginal or a slight risk. We're just in a general thunderstorm zone. So good news there, but let's talk about something else, all right? From thunderstorms to snow, perhaps. The area low pressure that's going to give us the rain tonight will track east as we go into Tuesday. Some scattered showers on Tuesday, but Wednesday, cooler air starts to work into our area, and that's going to bring snow to parts of our region and a decent amount in spots. Check out Future Track here. Let's time everything out for you. Tomorrow afternoon, some scattered showers. Morning commute looks okay. Afternoon commute, some scattered showers around, so keep that in mind as you make your plans for Tuesday. Here's Tuesday at 8 o'clock. Perhaps for heavy rain in spots with a rumble of thunder, not out of the question, but watch what happens after 8 o'clock tomorrow. The cooler air starts to work in, and we start to see a little bit of a changeover in spots, especially east of our viewing area along the I-77 corridor. So in the Tri-Cities at this time, we're likely still seeing all rain, but as we go into the overnight hours, the temperatures cool off. We go into Wednesday morning around 3 to 4 a.m. and a valley mix at times, but starting to see that changeover to all snow. And then we go into 5:30. People making plans to get out and about, schools starting to roll those buses out. And that's when we'll have some snow showers falling. So Wednesday would not shock me at all to see some schedule changes as these snow showers impact us throughout the day. But here's the interesting thing. The sun during this time of the year can impact snow totals. And even though it may be snowing at times on Wednesday, may not stick too well in spots, especially across the Tri-Cities. That's why our snow forecast right now is only calling for about maybe upwards of an inch in spots. Higher totals across southwest Virginia, about a half an inch to 2, and then in the mountains, perhaps 2 to 4 inches. These numbers could go up or down over the next couple of days. We are still about 72 hours, a little bit less away from it. So stay tuned to us as we get closer to the event, and of course, we'll keep you updated on air and online. We're pretty confident we will see more snow, but the slick roads, still a little bit of a question mark on that because of that sun that I talked about this time of the year. Temperatures tonight in the 40s, rain likely. As we go into tomorrow morning, we'll generally be around 45 to 47 degrees across the area, 48 in a few spots. Tomorrow, temperatures stay around 60 degrees. Enjoy that because check out Wednesday on our 7-day forecast. We're going down, 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 down. As we go into Wednesday, temperatures for highs only in the 30s during the afternoon. Friday we rebound to 50. 60 on Saturday, which is pretty close to where we should be for this time of the year, but going to be a little bit of a shock to the system on Wednesday. And of course, stay tuned with us both on air and online and using our app and everything, because those numbers will change, and forecasts with snow are always tricky, so things will change as you get closer.
Yeah, it's great though that you provide the viewers with so many tools right at your resources.
We're everywhere.
All right.